ChatGPT has revolutionised the way we interact with technology. Since its launch in November 2022, ChatGPT has been making waves in every industry imaginable, providing users with the power of a large language model at their fingertips. With its ability to generate human-like text, complete tasks and answer questions, ChatGPT has quickly become one of the most popular and widely used AI services out there. But with the rise of popularity comes the question of sustainability. Will we see a paywall put in place for this service in the near future? Rumours have been circulating on various platforms about the possibility of a paywall, and even OpenAI themselves have released a survey asking users how much would they be willing to pay for this revolutionary service. As we've seen with other popular services, a paywall can actually lead to improved and more advanced features, as well as an increase in security and privacy. So as users, it's important to voice our opinion and let OpenAI know how much we're willing to pay for their service. So join in with the conversation. Take the survey and leave a comment below on how you use ChatGPT and how much you'd be willing to pay for it. Let's shape the future of this game-changing technology together.